Safe search is a feature used in search engines like Google, Bing, and others to filter out explicit or inappropriate content from search results. When safe search is enabled, it helps to block websites, images, and videos that contains adult content, violence, or other potentially disturbing material. It's often used to create a safer browsing environment, especially for children or in public settings. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how can you turn off safe search mode in Google Chrome. First, we need to open our Chrome browser, then we will tap on these three dots in the top right corner. Then tap here on settings. From here, we can manage all our browser settings. Now we will tap on privacy and security. Then we'll tap on security. Now there are three options: enhanced protection, standard protection, no protection, which is actually not recommended. To turn this off, we will simply tap here and we'll press turn off, and safe browsing will be off. To save this, just restart your browser. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.